Okay, I'd like to talk today about using the new feature in Drive called Team Drives. It differs from your regular Drive in the fact that you will have different members of this drive. It's kind of like a remote drive almost. So, for instance, we have the one folder in here or one drive called Technology, and that one is for Mitchell and myself to store things just for us, for the technology um, team. But you can create different drives depending upon the purpose. For example, we could have drives for grade levels. So let's go ahead and make one for 7th and 8th grade. And then after we create that, then we will be able to add members of the group. This is going to be a lot easier to share documents rather than having to figure out, okay, who shared that particular document, who shared that team notes, how do we find the team notes. It's a lot of searching that you have to do. Here, if it's all in the same drive, and within that drive you can put folders of whatever you want. So to add members of this, um, so let's add a person to that group. And if you notice, instead of full access, we can go at edit access, view comments, or comment access, or just view only. It's up to you how you want to run it. I've just had full access. That's what I'm going to start with. But if you notice there is some issues, you can go to edit access and have one person in charge of the whole thing, and they can actually delete things, and others just edit access where they can add files and add to things, and that's about it. And after you're done, you can send them a message, hey, welcome to this team folder, team drive, and then hit send. In this instance, I'm going to just hit cancel. You can kind of see the potential for this. It's going to make it a little bit cleaner rather than having one person in charge or who is in charge of sending out these notes and stuff. Just something else to kind of play with. See what you think.